The stock market was on a roll last week, hitting all of those new all-time record highs, and then the weakness started to creep in. Let's bring in Dan Deming, a KKM Financial. And Dan, what do you think here? Now that the COVID vaccine is getting to the public, is that why we're starting to see some selling on the news, perhaps?
You know, I think it's a couple of things, Angie. I think, we're getting through the threshold of the vaccine now being priced into the market. So the market's now looking for other things to possibly drive it higher. Couple that with the stalling of the negotiations for the stimulus. And so I think those are the two dynamics here that the market's really struggling with. I think the market had anticipated that we might have a solidified stimulus package by this point, and we still do not have that in place.
What are you watching for this week, Dan?
This week, we have several things I think are going to be interesting, highlighted by the FOMC meeting, Angie. I think that's the market's going to be very focused on that, as we are getting a lot of central bank chatter here the last week and this week. But also just the general trends in the market. As you mentioned, the SPX hitting that 3,700 level and now finding some sellers up here. We are starting to see a shift in the trend, and the VIX is firming. So it does appear that there's some hedging taking place, and market participants are readjusting some of their allocations here as we move towards the end of the year.
Thanks, Dan. Have a great week.
All right. Thanks, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.